Let's talk about why you need to install the Roave Security Advisories Composer package in your Laravel application as soon as you can, what it does, and how it works. The Roave Security Advisories Composer package, right here on GitHub, should be used to reduce the chance that you install dependencies with known security vulnerabilities. You can see here that you install it like any other package, and then from then on, you get the benefit. Let's see what this looks like. I'm in a Laravel application here, and I'll just install the dev latest version of Roave/Security Advisories. Okay, so what happens with my next package install? Let's say I want to install one of my favorite packages here to manage Laravel permissions. It installs like normal. Perfect. Now what if I want to install the specific PayPal PHP SDK version, which I just happen to know has a security vulnerability? There's a conflict. The Roave Security Advisories package stopped the install of the insecure package. How does this work? Let's take a look at the composer.json file. First, you can see it as a meta package. This means that the composer requirements and conflicts are integrated into your project, but no actual files are installed. And that makes sense because there are none. Now, let's search for PayPal. There it is. Yep, the version I tried to install would conflict with this requirement. Much thanks to the maintainers of this package for giving us a simple, secure way to stop some vulnerabilities from being introduced into our projects. Head on over to laravelhacker.com for more information, articles, and tools to make your Laravel app beautifully secure.